Hello, can you hear me? Hello, welcome to the new video. I'm making this video after 3 months. The last video I made was on the 11th of February 2026 and today is 16th May 2026. It's been more than 3 months. What was I doing? Even I don't know. And if I don't know, you'll not find out what I was doing. But there are some reasons why I was out of this interaction. Firstly, the weather in Germany sucks. This is summer. The sunlight stays till 10 p.m. in the night, and I'm not able to sleep till 2 a.m. early morning. So the entire sleep schedule is messed up, and I don't know what to do. Even the blinders aren't helping because the light comes in anyway. I sleep at 2 a.m. and I wake up at 11:30, 12 p.m. I've been very lazy in the spirit. I don't have much this semester to do, especially attending classes. So again, the external motivation of attending classes is also gone. So I have nothing much to do. I just sleep here and doom scroll everything. That's what I've been doing since the last 3 months, majority of my time. Coming back to how my body is doing, how my health is and how my fitness is, it's been decent. Not gonna lie, the plan that I had for my body isn't the one which I followed, or the habit tracking what I wanted to do isn't what I did actually. I planned to go to gym 4 to 5 times a week. I didn't go. The weekly average came about 2.5 3 times a week, which is still fine, but it's not the best when I consider myself to be. Regarding the weight, I have reached 79 kgs. I'm reaching 80 kgs, and this is the 16th of May. So I started this whatever challenge or whatever social commitment on the 26th of December. Now it is 16th of May. It's been 5 months. It will be 5 months. So in 5 months, I have gained about 8 kgs, which is fine. And I changed my routine as well. First of all, I joined a gym nearby. I complained in the last video saying that my gym in the apartment isn't great. I joined a gym outside, and then my apartment decided to upgrade its gym. So I joined a gym nearby. So I'm basically using 2 gyms at this point of time. One gym is free and one gym which I have paid for. The routine which I have changed is basically, instead of doing upper lower break, I am doing 6 days break. So the 6 days is basically triceps and chest, biceps and back, and the last day, third day, would be shoulders and legs. So I repeat this 2 times, it will be 6 times a week. Why I did this? Because it takes very less time to go to the gym and do this particular 2 muscle group workout. It just takes like 35 minutes. It's great. It's very efficient in that way. And one more change that I've done is basically I'm using this breakfast table as a standing table. Why is this important to me? Because one, it motivates me to work while I'm standing. I do some dancing, I listen to the songs. It keeps me active compared to me when sitting. So that's a good change that I have done. Now there is one more update that I need to give, that I'll probably be stopping this bulking phase and probably slipping into a cutting phase, which I'll let you know why in the next video. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.
My entire world is crashing down. I feel like I'm dying. Hello, can you hear me?
Adele, calm down, use the landline. You are such a drama queen.